Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Marvin and welcome to your channeled reading for this week, which is, I believe, the last day of November. The first card I'm going to channel is the card that has brought us into where we are now this week. And what I see is the Chariot. The Chariot means that we've been able to take control of an aspect of our life and that we're not letting our life take control of us. So it's a really powerful card, but it also at the same time feels like we've been really struggling to pull those things along. So it hasn't been as easy to take control as we would like, but we are kind of pulling a lot of weight and we are taking control of many different aspects of our life. So it seems like a little bit more than we can handle, but it's really not, because this is the time when we can really focus on so many different areas of our life and fix them rather than just focusing on one. So it seems like we're having more power now to achieve those things that we want to do with a clear mind and a clear heart. This week, what we need to focus on, what I see, is the Eight of Pentacles. And I'm smiling because I think this is the third week in a row that I've seen it. And to remind you, the Eight of Pentacles is about mastering your craft, but it's really about mastering your life. So again, we're in a time when we really have to keep pounding out at what we want. These things that we're changing can't really change overnight. These life changes that we're making take a lot of effort and they take a lot of focus. So and I believe I said last week I see this happening for a few more weeks anyways, so it kind of makes sense because we're really, like I said, tackling things that we wouldn't have really been able to tackle in the past. Things seem a little easier to move through than they have been before. So this week we need to focus on really to keep going and tackling those things that we want to change, because it is a little bit of work still that we have to do and a little bit of focus. But if we do that, what's going to carry us into next week, I see, is the Wheel of Fortune. That excites me. The Wheel of Fortune means that once this energy of working hard is over, we're going to be presented with an opportunity, a window of an opportunity. And we have to take that window or else the window will close. So you may find that you are presented an opportunity at work or different opportunities in your life, and we really have to be ready to pounce on it when opportunity knocks. So picture yourself preparing yourself for things that you don't know exactly what's going to happen, but we do believe, and we should try to believe, that everything that we're doing now is to create a window of an opportunity for us, and we don't even know what that window is and where it can take us, but it definitely can take us somewhere exciting and positive and new, and probably to places that we've never even imagined. So I'm pretty excited about that. So when you feel like you're kind of trudging through stuff, just picture in a week or two something's going to happen that's really going to change your perspective, and you won't feel like you're dragging along as much as you have been in the past few weeks. So I'm excited. I'm going to keep working, and you guys should keep working too. I'll talk to you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.